Hello, everybody. I wanted to take a moment to introduce you to our multimodal virtual anthology assignment for our course, Introduction to the Hebrew Scriptures. What it is you will be creating a multimodal virtual anthology about the Hebrew Scriptures. You may choose to use a Google site, a Google slideshow, or Google Docs to put your anthology together. So the first question is, what is a multimodal virtual anthology? Well, multimodal means multiple modes, and in this case, it signifies text plus visuals and or sounds and or film. Virtual means online. An anthology is simply a collection of readings written by one or more authors who analyze and synthesize the text being shared. They identify patterns or place the text choices within a historical reference or a genre group or something else. So why are we doing this project? So this project will be a place for you to showcase your interest. So you will be able to research the topics that you find to be important and showcase other further knowledge of the Bible as literature to your peers, your professor, and your chosen audience. How are you going to do it? Well, here is a 13-minute video tutorial. In fact, if you're viewing this, you're in the middle of our tutorial, which will walk you through how to do the project. Over several weeks, you're going to research the topics included in the prompt overview. There will be 4 due dates in which you will submit drafts of parts of your project, and then your final edited and revised draft. So you need to take time to do that. To revise and edit it, you'll turn in a first draft to me earlier on, but the final draft is going to be due during week 14. So here is our prompt overview. So between weeks 3 to the middle of 14, you're going to be creating a multimodal virtual anthology project about the Hebrew Scriptures in which you include the following 8 topics in any order you choose. A painting or sculpture or building. You can use visuals found in your textbooks or some that you find on your own. One piece of art or video about the Hebrew Scriptures. A proverb, a psalm or Song of Solomon verse. A man from the Bible, a woman from the Bible, a moralistic story, one of the 10 Commandments, and a bit from the Year of Living Biblically. Okay, so what should be included? So for each topic, I'd like you to include or create the following: information about what your source is and place it within a context using at least 2 sources. A visual, a short film, an infographic or meme that is discussed in your references or close reading, and to compose either a short reflection of why you chose it or do a close reading of it in approximately 300 words. Please do at least 3 close readings. You may do more if you choose. So before you start, I would like you to consider your audience. Who would you create this for? So is it created for somebody with faith? Is it created for somebody has faith who's a Jew? Is it someone who has faith who's a Christian? Is it somebody who's never studied the Bible before? Is it your other classmates? Is it your parents? Is it a specific group in time, etc.? So know that you should consider an intention or a theme that ties the anthology together. So why are you creating this? So what is it that you're going to look at that you can showcase throughout? And it's a good idea to try and do this ahead of time, but you could start creating and then notice what that pattern is. Finally, what you're going to do is combine your virtual anthology together with a cover that you create, an artistic one. a short introduction of 250 plus words that discuss the intention or theme that is directed at your chosen audience, and a works cited. And please put this together as you go along. It should be alphabetized. And here's a link to Purdue OWL's works cited support. What else do you need to know? So you will be sharing your work with our class and participating in brief peer reviews. You will have due dates on week 6, week 9, week 12, and week 14, and each week showcases what you need to include. There's so much room here to be creative, and I hope you will feel inspired by this project and run with it and create it how you would like to. It is worth 30% of your grade. I'm looking for your sincere efforts for meaningful work that meets the parameters of this project as laid out here. As you are able to do that, I am certain that you will do well. Okay. I have a sample here. This is just a single sample. It is not a perfect sample, but it is one to just give you an idea about what you can look at. And this project will meet our SLOs, our student learning outcomes, for this particular course. So please take your time, and I invite you to take this as an opportunity to be creative, to teach your audience something new, and to learn quite a bit along the way. Thank you.